If you're still paying ElevenLabs for text-to-speech, stop. I just found a tool that does everything ElevenLabs does. Realistic voices, emotion, multiple languages, completely free. No limits, no credit card. And here's the crazy part. It handles emotion better than ElevenLabs. Laughing, whispering, dynamic inflection, things ElevenLabs still struggles with. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step. No fluff, no coding. Let's go. This is what you're paying right now. ElevenLabs Creator Plan, $11 a month. That's $132 a year for limited characters. And this is Google AI Studio, completely free, unlimited generations, over 30 studio quality voices. So here's the truth. You're paying for something that now has a free alternative that's actually better. Let me prove it. Open your browser. Go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. That's it. No credit card, no trial, no setup. Once you're in, look for native speech generation. Click it. Now look at the top right. You'll see two modes, multi-speaker and single speaker. Multi-speaker is for podcasts and dialogues. I'll cover that in another video. Today we're doing single speaker. Click it. Now here's where it gets good. Click the voice drop-down. Over 30 voices. Let's preview a few so you hear the quality. These are not robotic. These sound like real people. Pick the one that fits your content. Tutorial voice, clear and authoritative. Storytelling, something warmer. The voice you choose here becomes your narrator. This is the part most tutorials skip, the style instruction. In the text field, you don't just paste your script. You tell the AI how to read it. Here's the format. Type this exact line at the top. Read aloud in a warm, enthusiastic, and confident tone with dynamic inflection for emphasis. That last part, dynamic inflection for emphasis, is the secret. Without it, the voice is flat. With it, it stresses the right words. It breathes. It sounds human. Hear the difference. One line changes everything. Now paste your script below the instruction. Keep it under 500 words per generation. Break longer scripts into chunks. Hit run. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Done. Audio plays automatically. To download, click the three dots on the right. Hit download. You get a WAV file. Drag it into your video editor. You now have a professional voiceover. No mic, no recording, no retakes. Here's why pros use this. I tested the same script on ElevenLabs and Google AI Studio. Same exact text. ElevenLabs reads laughs like a word in a script. Narration. Google AI Studio actually laughed. Natural, human. That's the difference. And here's something ElevenLabs can't touch. Language switching. Same voice, 3 languages. Correct accent for each one. 0 extra setup. Let me be straight about what this tool can't do. First, speed. It takes about a minute per generation, not instant. For long voiceovers, you generate in chunks. Second, no voice cloning. ElevenLabs lets you clone your voice. Google AI Studio doesn't. If cloning is your entire workflow, keep ElevenLabs for that one feature. But for everything else, tutorials, narrations, podcasts, shorts, voiceovers, this wins. Free, unlimited, better emotion. So, stop paying for text-to-speech. Go to aistudio.google.com. Pick a voice. Use the style instruction trick. Generate unlimited voiceovers for free. If you want more tools that actually work, no fluff, no coding, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.